Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we have a special guest, Bao, aka Modern Rock, from My Investing Club, and he's going to be talking about risk management and why he believes is one of the most important parts in his trading success. Take it away, Bao.
Hi guys, my name is Bao, better known as Modern Rock. I help run the day trading community, My Investing Club, or MIC. First of all, I'd like to say thank you, Cobra, for having me on the show. Today I want to talk about risk management. I feel that risk management is the holy grail of trading. Let me explain what I mean by that. Everybody who starts out trading first looks for what's called the holy grail. If you don't want a holy grail, it's something that will change their trading dramatically and make them instantly profitable. Most people think it's through indicators or some magical formula that if you follow the magical formula, you will become extremely rich, and it's foolproof. That's what they call the holy grail, right? And I want to dispel that for you right now. There is no 100% foolproof trading strategy plan. Everybody loses from time to time in day trading. But as long as you lose less than you make, you are now a profitable trader. However, I'm going to explain to you also the difference between a consistently profitable trader and a consistent trader and a profitable trader. A consistently profitable trader is someone that's consistently profitable. That's the name, consistently profitable. But just because you are a consistent trader does not mean you are a profitable trader. You can be a consistent trader making money maybe every 9 out of 10 days. But the problem is this, that one day that you do lose, what if that day wipes out your entire 9 days or more? Then you are instantly consistent, but you are not consistently and profitable. So I'm going to teach you how, very quickly, to turn from a consistent trader into a profitable trader as well. This is a problem I had. I couldn't figure out for the longest time when I started trading, okay? When I started trading, I was a very consistent trader. I was a very technical trader, very consistent. I made money almost every single day. But the problem was this, that one loss always wiped out weeks and months or even a year of gains, or even blew up my entire account, right, guys? How many times has that happened to you? You're so close to what I call cracking the code of day trading. I'm making money all the time, except that one time. It works until it doesn't work, right? And so I want to tell you right now, the secret, the holy grail, the secret to become a consistently profitable day trader is risk management, is to manage that one day that you do lose, okay? That one day, the one time, that one trade that you do lose, make sure it does not wipe it away. I'll tell you quickly how you can do that. Risk management, okay? There's many ways to do risk management. This is how we at My Investing Club, MIC, teaches people to do that, okay? So in a nutshell, there's a couple ways to do it. The first step is to predefine your risk. Before you enter any trade, you need to what's called predefine your risk. And that's the term that we use at MIC. Predefine your risk means knowing where you will stop out and take the loss. There's many ways to predefine your risk. A simple way would be, I don't want to lose more than $200 a trade. So I'm going to do the math to figure out what price I need to stop out. And you set a hard stop. Hard stops are the key, guys. Okay, a lot of people are using mental stops. And that's fine if you are a very disciplined trader. But I'm pretty sure if you're watching this, you may not be a very disciplined or consistent or profitable trader. So you need to set the hard stops, okay? But the key is to predefine your risk. And how do you predefine your risk? A couple of ways. Like I told you, the first way is through, I want to lose only $200 for this trade. Then you do the math to know what price. Number two way to predefine your risk is to know, hey, if this breaks $2, I will stop out. So you set a hard stop at $2, okay? One is by dollar amount, one is by price, another is by time. We have what's called the zombie rule at My Investing Club. I'm not going to get into it very much, but it starts at 10:30. And so as a short seller, maybe that's my predefined risk. Time. At 10:30, I must exit the trade if I am down on the trade. Another way to predefine your risk, max size. Max size. How do you do that? I am going to call the broker People don't know this. You can call a broker and set the max size for your account. I only want to trade maximum 1,000 shares. So this way you don't get emotional and keep adding to a loser forever, right? And this is the last one. There's many more, but the last one, the main last one that I think that not many traders know that even exists. It's called, I call this setting the max daily loss at the broker level. I don't want to lose more than $1,000 today. I don't want to lose more than $5,000 today. So what you do is this. You call your broker and say, set my max daily loss to that price. And the key is this, guys. You have to do auto liquidation. Because what's happening is this, it happens all the time. Let's say I don't want to have lose more than $1,000 from my account per day, right? And I'm day trading, I'm hitting 800 loss. I'm like, I'm so close. And then it triggers a 10,000. What happens is your account gets locked and you cannot add any more position to it. But it does not auto liquidate unless you tell them to do that, right? What auto liquidate is this. When you hit that, closes the position out. You don't have a chance. And that to me is a very smart way to do it. Okay? Do you know why? It's because a lot of people, they hold on and they were hoping, wishing, because they can't trade anymore. And they're an addict at this point. You are now a trading addict, like a drug addict, a gambler. You're like, okay, I'm down $1,000. I don't want to take the $1,000 loss. I'm going to hold on to that loss. Maybe in an hour or two, it's going to come back and I'm going to make money or break even. And then what's going to happen most of the time? You're going to end up losing double your daily maximum loss. So have them do the auto liquidate. So that, my friend, is a secret to becoming a consistently and profitable trader. Because what's going to happen is this, guys. You guys are going to learn to trade. You are going to become consistent. The problem is, how do you prevent yourself from blowing up? Because, man, when you're making money, everything is great. But when you're losing money, all of a sudden you start adding to the loss. You do all these crazy things that you break a bunch of rules, right? And the way to put the parachute, this is like having a safety net when you're walking on the tightrope. And with day trading, you're always walking on the tightrope, guys. You need to have a parachute. You need to have a safety net, a safety harness. Because you know what, man? No one is perfect. We're human with human emotions. We get upset. We do stupid things. Heck, our internet might go out. And now you don't have internet for a couple hours. And you got to drive to a Starbucks to get internet. And during that freaking 1 hour to Starbucks, or even 10 minutes to Starbucks, anything could happen. Anything can happen, guys. This is why you need to have that safety net. Okay, so call your broker. Set up the auto liquidation max daily loss. And there, guys, is the secret, the holy grail to becoming a successful day trader long-term. Risk management. Thank you, Cobra, for bringing me on. And we'll see you. More information, myinvestingclub.com. My name is Bao, Modern Rock. I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you so much, Bao, for joining us on the show today and giving your take on risk management and why it's so important to you. I have to agree. I think risk management is up there when it comes to finding your consistency. So make sure, if you haven't, go rewatch this and take some notes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future videos.